Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to Huawei Connect 2021. It's my honor to speak to you today, although we can only do so online. I truly hope this event will bring Huawei Cloud closer to you, and you closer to us. Today, I'm going to share with you how Huawei helps its e-commerce partners win new opportunities to go global. Here, we can see that the e-commerce market has been doing very well in recent years. And the overall market size is expected to exceed 13 trillion yuan in 2021, a growth of about 10%. As you can see, there are four major trends in e-commerce. First, the number of mobile shopping users continues to increase, with more than 75% of shopping activities expected to be performed on mobile devices by the end of 2021. Clearly, there is a huge market for innovative shopping experiences on mobile devices. Second, in the process of digital transformation, the convergence of multiple technologies has enabled new modes, such as live e-commerce, short-form video e-commerce, and social e-commerce. All of these require infrastructure with more stable performance. Third, data value in e-commerce is becoming more and more important. Enterprises have been focusing on attracting more users and improving conversion rates through refined operations. And finally, rapidly developing cross-border e-commerce has also become an important growth point. Huawei Cloud is fully committed to providing reliable, secure, trustworthy, and ever-evolving cloud services to customers around the world. Since it was launched in 2017, Huawei Cloud has become the world's fastest growing cloud. It maintained one of the fastest growth rates among all cloud service vendors, despite the major challenges in 2020, including the pandemic, external restrictions, and global economic uncertainties. According to Gartner's latest report, Huawei Cloud is ranked second in China's public cloud market and fifth globally. The rapid growth of Huawei Cloud is in no small part due to the unwavering support of customers from various industries. Up to now, Huawei Cloud has occupied a large market share among governments and industries such as internet, automotive manufacturing, finance, and genetics. Huawei Cloud injects strong momentum into its e-commerce partners through these four initiatives, specifically collaborating with Huawei mobile services and facilitating the growth of e-commerce partners through continuous technological innovation, smart operations, and global localization services. Let's now look at each of these in more detail. The world today is becoming ever more intelligent. As such, more and more enterprises will need to combine B2B and B2C capabilities in order to stay competitive. Through extensive interviews and practices, we found that the customer's demand for B2B plus B2C capabilities actually corresponds to their demand for one-stop services and end-to-end digitization. In response, we've proposed the Cloud-Cloud collaboration strategy, which is about combining Huawei Cloud's B2B capabilities with HMS's B2C capabilities in an in-depth, open manner. To this end, we attract more users by precise marketing, smart shopping, and enhanced visual experience. Besides this, we provide developers and partners with unified accounts, development platforms, unified app distribution, and operations. Through Huawei's Cloud-Cloud collaboration, e-commerce enterprises will be able to leverage Huawei's global mobile app ecosystem to create more growth opportunities. Huawei started to build the HMS ecosystem based on Huawei Cloud back in 2019. HMS is now the world's third largest mobile app ecosystem, serving nearly 800 million users in more than 170 countries and regions, plus 4 million developers. With HMS, we create high-quality content for global users by working with our global partners. Here, you can see that Huawei Browser's monthly active users have exceeded 380 million, with that number exceeding 360 million for Huawei Assistant. Relying on Huawei's global presence, huge customer base, professional teams, and marketing resources, e-commerce partners can quickly improve their global influence and reputation and open up new growth opportunities. Today, I would like to sincerely invite all of you to join Huawei's HMS ecosystem. Together, we can build an all-platform, all-device application ecosystem and deliver a wonderful digital experience to consumers around the world. We will be able to serve not only the 1 billion Huawei device users, but also 1 billion currently non-Huawei users through more platforms and devices. Last year, Huawei Cloud released the concept and solution of Cloud Native 2.0, an industry first. Cloud Native 2.0 has been widely recognized by the industry and helped many e-commerce enterprises build full-stack cloud-native capabilities, transitioning from on-cloud to in-cloud. The solution was the first in the industry to implement full offloading of containers, allowing all cluster resources to be used for service processing while reducing the cost by 30%. Cloud Native Network 2.0 has combined the traditional container and VM network layers into one, enabling developers to provision 1,000 containers in 30 seconds. This can better cope with traffic bursts and realize smoother application interaction. In addition, online and offline scheduling, large-scale distributed scheduling, and application-aware scheduling are used for maximized cluster resource utilization. As the only founding member and the first platinum member from Asia in CNCF, Huawei Cloud has been actively contributing to the open source community and ranks first in committed code among Asian members. Huawei Cloud also contributed the first cloud-native edge compute project, CubeEdge, and the first cloud-native batch compute project, Volcano, to CNCF. With these efforts recognized, Huawei Cloud has ranked #1 in the container software market share in China and scored full marks consecutively in the container capability assessment by Forrester. For developers, the innovative e-commerce solutions developed based on HMS Core covers the entire e-commerce service flow. Huawei HMS Core has covered a wide range of scenarios and can precisely reach end users. With PushKit and Analytics Kit, developers can accurately push information to target users regarding promotions, product launch, bills, and coupons. Subscribers can also receive such information. In this way, we can improve user loyalty as well as conversion. With Location Kit, merchants can obtain user locations and push messages to users when authorized, so that users can be directed to the stores nearby. Scene Kit provides users with immersive and interactive shopping experience through display and search offerings. Device Virtualization Engine can help e-commerce partners display offerings from more perspectives, enhancing the shopping experience. At the same time, comprehensive digital operations have become the new engine of e-commerce enterprise growth. With the OBS-based data lake, Huawei Cloud helps enterprises share data throughout the entire process of using technologies such as big data, databases, and AI. In addition, SaaS services such as Model Arts and Petal Engine explore cutting-edge systems and algorithms based on massive data and computing power, providing our partners with one-stop intelligent operations. For example, MLKit, the machine learning service, provides rich visual and language APIs. With this service, developers can quickly build AI applications to let users shop by photo taking or switch to live e-commerce at any time. The integration of MLKit can improve recognition accuracy, reliability, and concurrency with low response latency. MLKit is now available on all Android devices, allowing developers and e-commerce partners to access the service worldwide. The machine learning service also allows search by voice input for improved efficiency. Huawei Cloud's one-stop operations can comprehensively improve the business capabilities of our e-commerce partners, create clearer user profiles, provide more precise advertising and marketing, optimize ROI, and drive the sales volume and GMV. And this initiative is something that only Huawei Cloud can offer. Huawei is committed to providing customers with globally available yet localized services. Today, Huawei has local service centers and professional service teams in more than 170 countries and regions around the world. Huawei Cloud has deployed 45 availability zones in 23 geographical regions around the world and provides 7 availability zones in Asia Pacific, including Hong Kong, China, Singapore, and Thailand, for secure and reliable cloud services. In addition, Huawei Cloud has established local service teams in more than 10 Asia Pacific countries. Huawei Cloud is capable of delivering cloud services around the world with consistent experience and performance. It is an ideal choice for e-commerce enterprises that wish to expand globally. We are committed to better serving e-commerce enterprises with better applications. This brings me to the end of today's talk. It's been a pleasure. Looking ahead, we cannot wait to start working with more e-commerce partners for shared success. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today, I'm very glad to share with you the topic, iRobotBox goes global with its cross-border e-commerce solution. First, let me introduce iRobotBox. The company is mainly committed to providing intelligent, comprehensive solutions for cross-border e-commerce companies. iRobotBox is always customer-centric and brings high-end professionals from various domains together. It empowers cross-border e-commerce operations and management in all dimensions to improve the operations and management efficiency of e-commerce companies. As the cross-border e-commerce industry matures and the rules of each platform become increasingly strict, iRobotBox believed that cross-border e-commerce companies should not only follow the brand development strategy, but also deploy multiple platforms to ensure their continuous and stable development. Since 2010, iRobotBox has been cooperating with eBay, Amazon, Wish, and AliExpress, and has conducted in-depth R&D. Up to now, iRobotBox has interconnected with more than 50 popular platforms and become an optimal partner. Furthermore, iRobotBox also supports interconnection with independent websites of e-commerce companies to achieve one-stop management of multiple platforms and stores. At present, there are hundreds of thousands of stores on iRobotBox ERP, involving more than 120 segmented industries and covering more than 1,000 service scenarios. iRobotBox can fully resolve the operations and management issues in various service scenarios. With more than 10 years of development, iRobotBox has formed an extensive ecosystem across borders. This ecosystem streamlines over 2,000 quality logistics channels, more than 60 quality warehouse providers, 8 payment providers, and multiple financial software systems. iRobotBox also offers diverse solutions for different cross-border e-commerce companies, including the ERP system, intelligent overseas warehouse system, financial PSI system, and intelligent warehousing planning. They are providing more choices for enterprise development. In such a fierce competition environment, how can cross-border e-commerce companies stand out? iRobotBox can help enhance such companies' competitive edge through 4 core capabilities. The first is team management. iRobotBox supports KPI performance appraisal for different positions to make the performance of all employees clear and simple. In addition, iRobotBox provides workflow management to address workflow management difficulties from the aspects of objective, time, and owner. Every position in most e-commerce companies can use the workflow to manage their routine tasks, improving the execution efficiency. They can also score the task status of each phase in the workflow. In addition, the PK system between sales teams can help improve the efficiency of both individuals and teams. For operations management, iRobotBox supports multiple listing scenarios, such as manual and automatic listing on multiple platforms, one-click dispatch, and cyclic listing. One-stop ad management allows you to manage ad data in a centralized manner and learn the real-time status of ads through multi-dimensional automatic price adjustment and visualized chart display. ASIN 360 integrates data such as sales, inventory, page views, conversion rates, ads, comments, keywords, and competitive product analysis under the child ASIN and parent ASIN. It can also display the data in charts and tables from multiple dimensions to help client enterprises improve the overall operations and increase their revenues. Supply chain is a source for e-commerce companies, which directly affects operating costs of the companies. iRobotBox supports integrated supply chain management to control the operating costs and enhance the core competitiveness of products. The integrated management enables the all-round control of the supply chain, spanning products, suppliers, 1688 automatic ordering, factory direct delivery, receipt quality inspection, inventory management, supplier reconciliation, and supplier rating. Financial normalization is the only way for an enterprise to become bigger, stronger, and more long-term. With profit report management, enterprises can analyze the sales profit from multiple dimensions, including orders, products, sales, sales teams, platforms, sites, settlement time, and currencies, to provide data support for operations optimization. The visualized graphic display enables enterprises to intuitively understand their profits in different dimensions. PSI management plays a vital role in both business and financial systems. It not only helps approve inventories, but also facilitates cost accounting. iRobotBox PSI implements one-stop management for the local warehouse, FBA, and overseas warehouse to make inventory data clear and compliant, helping cross-border e-commerce enterprises reduce labor costs caused by financial accounting. At the same time, they interconnect with King D Finance to automatically synchronize various PSI documents and generate vouchers. This improves the efficiency of financial accounting and achieves standardized management of the financial data. In addition, the enterprise competitiveness is greatly enhanced from aspects of funds flow, goods flow, and data flow. To provide better services for cross-border e-commerce enterprises, from 2021 onwards, iRobotBox deeply optimized and implemented the solutions and started in-depth collaboration with Huawei Cloud in terms of database, network, data security, computing power, storage, domain and website, and migration. This allowed iRobotBox to move forward against all odds and finally take a lead in a cross-border e-commerce ERP business. To ensure security of user data, iRobotBox adopts Huawei Cloud databases and CGS to safeguard the security of cross-border e-commerce enterprises throughout their lifecycle. Huawei Cloud provides image security policies to periodically scan the image repository, fix vulnerabilities and insecure configurations in a timely manner, and protect against malicious code. To ensure the safe running of containers, the container process automatically detects block lists, trust lists, and malware. The access control of key files is provided to prevent malicious tampering. In addition, a series of security measures such as network connection and access control, container firewall, and firewall policy audit are implemented to ensure safe and smooth running of user data. In order to help cross-border e-commerce enterprises grow, iRobotBox continues to carry out innovation and incubation with Huawei. iRobotBox uses AI-powered image editing technologies of Petal Engine to implement automatic image stitching within seconds. The image cutout with HD accuracy works really well on hollowed subjects and complex backgrounds. This technology is widely used in e-commerce retail, entertainment, and individual scenarios. To cope with the explosive business growth of cross-border e-commerce enterprises during promotions or sales, Huawei Cloud provides one-stop professional online and offline assurance services, including 24/7 availability, chatbot, service ticket, on-site SA support, and on-site expertise. The global one-stop services include more than 170 service centers, 30 years of service experience and global layout, and more than 20 tools, standards, and methods. Furthermore, Huawei's expert ecosystem consists of more than 2,000 O&M experts, 4,000 service engineers, 1,000 global service partners, and 10,000 certified service engineers. In this way, Huawei safeguards security of iRobotBox ERP and user data. In the future, we are looking forward to further cooperation with iRobotBox to resolve more problems for cross-border e-commerce sellers. Well, that's all for today's talk. Thank you.